I think I may have found my grail wallet. This is the OpenSea Topsider LT2.0. Minimalist wallet allows you to carry cash without folding it. Really nice front pocket carry wallet. The tuck flap design keeps bills and items secure while still keeping everything nice and thin. The new version improves on card access and security with the redesigned quick draw slot. All this with a small batch handmade wallet in the USA with a unique design. Now I have a ton of different wallets. I've had ridge wallets, I have mechanical wallets, I have hard wallets, soft wallets, bifolds, trifolds, you name it. This absolutely, like no shit, is my favorite design so far I've ever had.
I'm sorry I got so heated.
I love the way that it's so customizable too. Really nice leather. It has a beautiful smell, and this is only going to get better looking with time, with that patina factor. You can choose from so many different colors and stitch options that you can customize your wallet your way without a doubt. And you'll probably never see somebody with the same wallet color. This one here is the, I believe, walnut, maybe? And a really nice olive green leather interior. This one is the single color, it has the quick access card slot in the back. This sits in between a traditional bifold and a minimalist wallet. And I was really able to make this my own. I like to try and keep my cards to a minimum, but I have my ID, debit card, credit card. In the back here, I have just some QR stickers for my channel, a Write in the Rain pad, and a wallet credit card size tracker. Along with the bills, I was able to stuff a Allet micro pen in there as well. And there's plenty of room. I can hold way more cash in this. I would like to hold more cash in this. It packs up really easily. And then this I can just slide in wherever. With the card slot here, this will easily hold more cards than that. And of course this one here has its own separate pocket. The micro pen fits really nicely in there, still allows it to fold completely. You can't keep your cash tucked in there. I don't know why you'd want, but you can do it. Or you can tuck it in behind. You can fold it if you want. But the craftsmanship on this thing is absolutely beautiful. The leather is really, really nice. It came super soft right out of the box. This one I have put some conditioner on. These are handmade in Hawaii. So coming here to a semi-arid climate, I thought it would be beneficial to oil them up. I could see the quick access being really good for often used cards, transit passes, ID cards, work ID, whatever. This thing is only like a 1/4 inch thick, by the way, all folded up. And like I said, there's so many different colors you can choose from. You can check out his Instagram. He's pretty active on there. Michael, the owner, is a one-man shop. He has a YouTube channel too. You can see some behind the scenes stuff. He was a former Marine, I believe, that is now putting roots down in Hawaii. These come in at, which to me is completely reasonable, especially for how much I absolutely love this wallet. I don't want to sound like a fanboy. Like I haven't found anything I don't like about it yet. I know if you start stuffing too many cards in some of these slots or like the quick draw slot, it will stretch out. It is natural leather, so you have to be cautious with that. For me, I can hold my little notepad and a pen and a tracker and all the cards and not have to fold my bills. Like, take my money. This is what I want. This is the wallet I've been searching for. Super comfortable. Even with a pocket knife in my pocket, it doesn't interfere with anything. And you can put this in your back pocket, or you can keep this in a sling bag if you don't even want to keep it. It's just a really nice wallet. Do me a favor, check out OpenSea Leather. Really nice wallets. They have plenty of different designs. I believe he's starting to get into some other craft items as well, bags and leather belts and everything like that. But anyways, if you guys like videos like this, please consider subscribing to the channel. Check out my affiliate links in the description if I have any, and we'll see you in the next one. I had that thing out the whole time. I'll get rid of my mouse here, but okay, I think that's good. He's my precious.